Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are experts in 100% natural hair care and I'm so excited that you're here. Today we're going to talk about scalp detox and healthy hair. So let's get started. The detox phase is what we call the transitioning period when you are going from chemically filled toxic hair care products to our line of 100% natural botanically based raw hair care products. Now this phase will vary in duration from person to person. It depends on your own body's detox pathways, the efficiency of that, and of course your routine and how that can contribute to your experience. Let's start with scalp massaging and brushing. This is more than just, it feels good to massage my scalp and I'm getting tangles out of my hair. In fact, boar bristle brushes aren't really meant for detangling at all. This is about blood flow and encouraging lymphatic movement so that detoxification is happening at a more efficient pace. You're essentially supporting your body and getting rid of toxins or anything that's hanging around from your old products. Our 100% natural rubber scalp massager is one of my personal favorite items to use. It's very effective but also very gentle. Something to point out if you are experiencing hair loss or hair thinning, or it's something that you're concerned about, it may seem counterintuitive to be stimulating your roots, but I assure you that this will be one of the biggest parts of your routine that will help you with your hair regrowth. Our scalp massager and our brushes are gentle but effective. They're really going to be an incredible duo for getting through the detox phase and getting closer to your healthiest hair. My personal favorite brush is the nylon and boar bristle mix brush. I really love the large size because I have a lot of hair, but the travel size is also awesome. I actually keep this in my shower, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. The boar bristle and nylon mixed brushes are ideal for reaching your scalp and bringing the natural oils from the roots of your hair down to the ends. During the detox phase, this is also really going to assist with getting rid of the buildup and the gunk that your body is getting rid of. Essentially, during detox, your body is purging itself of toxins and product buildup from years of whatever you were using before. So again, this can take some time for some people. Some people don't experience any kind of detox phase. For me, it lasted about 2 weeks, but using all these different tricks really helped to shorten my detox time. That's why we even have these tips for you, because we've all been through the detox process ourselves, and that really does make a big difference. Now, when you're using our shampoos, we encourage you to dilute the amount of shampoo you plan to use about 50-50 with water right before use, and shampoo twice with a medium amount of shampoo versus one time with a large amount. The first time is really going to help you get rid of debris buildup. The second time is about nourishing and restoring your scalp and hair. I have found that the boar bristle brush really helps the product reach all of your hair and then really makes rinsing everything out much easier too, which is why I keep one in my shower. Now, of course, the product is going to run off of your hair when you're rinsing, even if you just use water in your fingers. But the brush really takes it to the next level and it helps the product bind to the buildup and the toxins that your scalp is secreting during this time and really makes the whole thing way more effective. I highly recommend it. Our brushes and scalp massager are definitely gentle enough to use on wet hair. Just make sure to store your brush upside down after use so that it can dry thoroughly. The detox process can also cause your hair to be a bit more oily or a bit more dry while it adjusts, but that's fairly easy to work around. If your hair starts to get a little too oily, just use a bit of our volcanic powder dry shampoo. I've continued using this stuff even after detox, and I'm so glad that it's now available in sustainable packaging. This dry shampoo really helps extend the time between shampoos, and adding a little bit to my scalp in the morning really adds some extra volume to my style. Plus, it helps to protect against environmental elements like smog and sun. If instead detox starts to make your hair feel a bit dry, we recommend using our Euro oil. It's very lightweight and absorbs quickly, and I love to use it as a pre-shampoo treatment. You can just take a small amount to rub between your fingers and gently massage it into your scalp and the ends of your hair. You can use it the night before or a few hours before you shampoo, but if you do sleep with it in, be sure to protect your pillow or wear a protective sleeping cap. After I completed my detox process and the months went on, I have noticed that I actually can use less products, so that's just something else to experiment with during this process. I think that you are going to be pleasantly surprised with how power-packed these natural ingredients are. If you try any of these things at home, please tag us on social media or comment on this video and let us know if you have any questions or feedback. What does your detox protocol look like? We would love to hear from you, and you can earn reward points from sharing your method or story. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait for the next video. Have a beautiful day.